Hello friends, my name is Kundan. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about global methods of Jest. In Jest, global methods are functions or methods that are available globally in Jest test environment. These methods can be used to perform common tasks or assertion in your test without having to import them into each test file. Some of the commonly used global methods in Jest are describe, it, test, expect, beforeAll, afterAll, beforeEach, afterEach, and Jest. So these are basically some functions, and there are more functions are available, but these are some commonly used that we basically use in our most of the test files. So first one, that is describe. So it is used to group related test cases together into a test suite, and it or test both are similar, so either we can use it or test. So this is basically used to define a single test case. And expect is to use in making a assertion about some values, so to expect some values. And beforeAll, it is used to define a function that is run once before all the tests in a test suite. We can create a particular file for a particular test. Either we can use this beforeAll inside a particular describe or for a particular file only. So this beforeAll will run before each of the test suite. First of all it will run, and similarly afterAll, it is used to define a function that is run once after all the tests in the test suite has completed. Another one is beforeEach. It is used to define a function that is run before each test case in a test suite. Another one is afterEach. It is used to define a function that is that runs after each test case in a test suite. And Jest keyword, we have directly a Jest keyword that contains multiple things, but basically we use jest.fn and jest.spyon, and these are some different methods for some use cases. Like jest.fn is used for creating a mock function for a particular testing. These global methods are automatically available in your test file, and you can use without importing or requiring them explicitly. However, you can also customize or override these methods if needed to fit your specific testing needs. Thank you friends. Please subscribe to our channel.